Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix misaligned subtitles when you're converting a MKV to MP4 using Handbrake. I took episode 88 of one of the new on Nai.si. There's some Dragon Box stuff, and I got some with the subs, and I checked out the preview. And this happened a long time. I had to go through a different process, which did not work at all. Don't do the one when you look up how to fix misaligned subtitles. That forum post, those are way too time consuming, and they won't really work. But as you can see here, I'm looking at the preview for that episode 88, and you can see that the subtitles are shifted to the right a little bit. I'm going to show you how to fix this. So what you have to do is, instead of putting this in Handbrake and go through a whole bunch of stuff, what you want to do is you want to grab that file, go to VLC, and open that file in VLC Media Player. I don't know if this could be different. This is a copy of that original file, but this is what you have to do. So you're gonna open the file, or what you could just do. This is actually simple. I don't know why I didn't just do this. Just double click and then click play, because I have VLC as my default player. Hold on. Oh, this is a copy. Sorry about that. Okay, that was a copy of the original version. Let me go ahead and get the original version of that file. Be right back. Alright, back. I'm going to decide to use a different one. You see, I had a bunch of these subtitle tries that did not work at all. So I'm going to go ahead and pick an episode, maybe episode 3. Open it up in VLC. This is different, but what I just showed you, basically on VLC, it's going to be misaligned if you try to burn it like that. Or you're going to see in the preview. Yeah, this is Windix Bloom, right? Yeah. This is. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I'm not going to try that one, because I think it may be different because of the subtitle format there. But this should be the same, right? Yeah, you see? Hold on, let's get to the part where they're talking. Whoa. Okay, you see the subs are normal. These are like from the original Dragon Box, unlike the other ones. The level sets have higher quality. I'm pretty sure those first few episodes were from the level sets instead of the Dragon Box. Because there's a big, huge misconception that the Dragon Boxes are superior than the level sets. That is a misconception. The level sets are indeed better, but when they came out, I believe Funimation imprinted English stuff on there, like English credits. They imprinted that on there. That's some reason why it's worse, but overall it looks much better. If you look here, this image of Frieza doesn't look so good, but I think maybe my computer, I don't know. So what you're gonna have to do, go to convert and save. I don't know why this local file thing shows up. I think it's just you can just press the original, I guess. Yeah, I don't know how that really works, but don't use the subtitle, and then you go here and then you click convert. Okay, so I'm not gonna get to the. I was gonna say something, but I'm not gonna get to it yet. So you have all this cool stuff right here. Sometimes there's, I think you go to settings here. Make sure it's MP4/MOV video codec. Just that. Keep it normal. Everything is normal. There. When you get to subtitles, this is where I want it a little bit different. Typically, it's unchecked, and this overlay subtitles onto video. Keep that checked. This, for some reason, I don't know why, this still won't make it whatchamacallit, kept in when you transfer this converted file into Sony Vegas or any editor, really. I'm pretty sure Flash is the same thing, or Adobe Premiere. It won't transfer. I don't know why. It just won't transfer. So I'm gonna rename this to just DBZ episode. What is it? 92. I don't know why I pressed 88. That's just like weird. It doesn't really matter what you press for local files. It just wants to do that, I guess. So like that. There's no changing that, but I don't know why you need to press a local file. But once you have there, wait for it to render. It's actually gonna take a while. Like what the frick? Oh, this is gonna glitch up the video. Whoops. Well, I just did that. That's gonna glitch up the video. Well, I think the results are gonna be the same, technically. But here's the result of another video that I went through the process of. This is episode 78. Originally, these subtitles were misaligned, but you see they're aligned now. And you're remembering, how the frick did you transfer them to Sony Vegas? I'll show you once this is done rendering, which is probably glitched at rendering, but I'll be right back. Alright, so the queue did in fact finish, so you want to go to Handbrake, find the destination wherever you put that file in. I believe it was videos, and then it was episode 92. Yeah, you see right here. Drop it into Handbrake. I'm gonna go through the preview. Really neat feature that they added the photos, but it doesn't really help because the subs won't show if you have something with subs. So I'm gonna go through, look at this preview. I'll show the subs are not in fact misaligned. Also, did you know you can change shape of this? That's pretty neato, but it looks garbo. 100% actual size. What is it? Some sort of roast on its size. Let's wait for them to talk. And I accidentally pressed well, I accidentally pressed the wrong audio. Whoops. That's an option I think on here. With MP4, if I'm mistaken, audio can be overlaid. Yeah, okay. Yeah, audio is overlaid. It can be overlaid on so even if you mess up, done goof, and you select the wrong audio on VLC media player when you convert, you can change it back. The thing that won't change is the subs. There's no more subs since you press that burn in option, which is a good thing. You want that. And I always like to double the frame rate. I don't know, it really looks better. But once you have that, just press web optimize just in case. But I'm gonna show you that transferring that episode will actually not work. I'm gonna show you that. I know I said it like a few times, but I'm sure that it actually like legit doesn't work. Like, look, I don't know why. Even when you convert it through VLC media player, there's gonna be an error, and when you drop it into here, it's gonna be an error. See? So you have to convert it through Handbrake again. But luckily the things aren't misaligned. I'm actually gonna call this like real, like the actual WBC episode 92. I'm gonna rename the other one. What's the other one? Right here to this English dub. Alright, so I'm gonna call it that. Start. Alright, let's go in. Since it's renamed now. I renamed something. Okay, I'm just gonna call it DBZ92J. There you go. Okay, now it recognizes it's different. Alright, so just starting code. What? Okay, that was weird. Oh, yeah, okay, the video got corrupted a little bit. I think it got corrupted. Yeah, it probably did, because of this English sub is probably kind of corrupted. Because I actually skipped through it on accident. But overall, once you get all that done, once it starts encoding, I just done goof there. But it's going to be normal, okay? The end result is this. The end result is this. You can transfer it into Handbrake. This is the end result. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is going to save you a bunch of time. If you want to rip these and as they're shifted to the right. This is actually going to happen for many things on neon.si. I tried to get some rips of even modern anime, and the subs aren't even encoded right on those DVDs. Unlike, I know it's like, why are you ripping from Funimation? They changed too much. They actually changed the animation, which on some things it's good, super. On some things it's bad, Dragon Maid. Like there were some episodes where they actually goofed the animation up. But I was testing it on there on neon.si, and the subs were actually shifted, and you know, this method really works, and it's gonna happen often. You're gonna rip stuff like this. Maybe it's because it's an ISO converted into a MKV, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is gonna save you way too much time, and it's gonna save you too much time.